What is up, internet? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. This is my cousin Zach, and this is his motorcycle.
Yeah.
Leaking oil. Lots of oil leaking from the crankcase turbo cover. Let me show you guys. Actually, I'll just show you. It's leaking from in this right here. So we're gonna take that off, and we have a new O-ring right there, and we're gonna replace it and clean it, and hopefully that solves the problem.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Okay. Is that this size? Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I think the smaller ones actually might be better. The smaller
Ben,
one.
can you get that extension cord right
Where? What extension?
Never mind, I got it. Perfect.
We gotta wiggle this off now.
Just a wee little bit of oil.
That's the O-ring we're gonna replace. Ooh.
Pretty clean.
Not bad. Not as dirty as it was last time.
The bike is filthy.
So was it because
Yeah, we
the
gotta
oil?
clean it.
Did the oil just like did you put too much oil in, or was it like?
No, sometimes the rubber just goes bad after a long time. You just gotta replace it.
Oh, okay.
Right here, we got a Yamaha 2007 V-Star 650 supercharged. I'm just kidding. That'd be sick.
Supercharged.
Coming to the channel soon. Anyway, right here we got a zip tie to get this O-ring off. It should work well. Let's see here. Get underneath there.
No
damage done to the
way.
metal. Science.
That was an insane life hack right there.
Wow.
Look how filthy this is. From all that oil leaking over time.
Yum.
That's why we're cleaning it. What's that? The wire brush.
I got it right here. Where to put it? Wire brush down dish soap.
Okay, got the dish clean. Yeah, I know you're impressed. Try not to act like it though. We're gonna put it in.
Clean a little there. We gotta get the O-ring.
Now we gotta clean the outside of the bike, but it's looking good so far. There's a new O-ring.
Yay. Nice.
Let's keep going.
All right, what are we using here?
Choke.
We got this. Gum out.
Come out.
Carbon choke and parts cleaner. We're just getting all this oil and extra gunk off there so this O-ring goes in nicely. Get that all out of there nice and clean.
Also, you want it clean so you can see if it's leaking next time.
True.
You can catch it sooner.
Exactly. That's what I was about to say. I'm just Cedric's the expert
Shut up,
here.
Cedric. You don't know anything.
Obviously, I'm doing all the work here. Wow. Credits to Childish Gambino in the back.
Get copyrighted. YouTube, don't take this down. Dude, it's so dirty. How'd you let this go so long?
There's a cover that covers the whole thing that you can't even see where it was leaking.
I guess that's fair.
2 more.
It's a beautiful bike though. It just needs a little bit of love.
Yeah, you got.
Okay, we're oiling up the gasket, and then we're gonna put it in place.
That was so satisfying.
Ooh. Great. Now we're gonna put it on.
So does oil? What does oiling up help? Like, what? How does that help it?
It just seals it up.
Creates
It fills up the
oil-tight
space.
seal.
Oil tight seal, there you go. Shout out to Kanye West in the background. This video's getting taken down. Ready?
Got it all oiled up now.
Yeah, it's all good to go. So, hold on. I gotta get it set in first.
Okay.
Fine.
There we go. One bolt. One bolt. Where's the Allen? Should I give it? Where did it go?
Hey.
Gracias. What are those tools? Yay!
Beautiful. Lit.
Oh.
I should probably choke it.
Yeah, probably choke it.
Alright, Cedric's gonna warm her up a bit. She looks pretty good right from here. It engages really far out. The clutch is really far out. Yep, there it is. It's actually a good looking bike. There's a Porsche. Just gonna go around. Beautiful.
I like that. That's fun.
She looks good on the road.
All right, guys, we pulled the motorcycle to the side of the house where we are now going to pressure wash it and clean it. That's mine. You can try some.
You like it?
Okay, Eskimo.
Did we give this to you?
Yeah. What do you think?
Well, it's good I bought him.
Oh, nice and clean.
Just drawing up last bits here.
We just cleaned it.